This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now at Teslabjorn in Norway and they have a pre-production Model Y Juniper here. This is a long range, it's not a launch edition. I'm going to do a quick interior view, first impression of what it looks like. So yeah, I have Isabel with me. She'll just be maybe running around. We can use her for measurement. So let's do the external first. Yeah, you guys know this, the front. You know, they say that 70% of the car has been changed compared to before. So you can see the front here. I can show you. When you open the frunk, it is kind of squared now, or rectangular versus before. The open front. Oh, stay there. You see here? They changed it to be like this. Wow. And then, do we have any weight limit here? How big is the front? Well, you could put this belly in here. This is a spacious front. Yeah. And then, Isabel, what the heck is this thing? Huh? What the heck? Yeah, you can hold it. Okay. So towing hook is here. Other than that, see, Tesla, they thought about everything. So if you put a baby in the frunk, there is a button here to open the frunk so they can get out. Yeah, so Isabel can get out of the frunk. Okay, let me help you up. So this is new with Tesla. There is now a front camera in the lower end here. There's also a front camera there, like other cars, but also down here, and you can spray it. But unlike Model 3 Highland, the Juniper actually has a blinker stalk. Has anyone complained about this? Because, okay, I have on purpose not watched any other reviews because I don't want to be colored by them. But it just feels so cheap. It has, okay, blink. It has the, let me see. It has a soft blink. Wait, huh? Wait, it doesn't have the soft, what, really? You cannot do the gentle blink or the hard blink. It's just constant on. Huh? No. I've tested so many cars, and you know, pretty much all the cars I test nowadays, they have the soft blink, the hard blink. Here, it's. I don't like this. I hope they can fix this somehow, or I don't know if it's possible to fix, because it seems like it's just a binary on/off. It just feels so cheap. So the previous gen that we have over there, they actually have some nice blinker stock that feels nicer. Here, okay, at least we have a blinker stock. Other than that, looks okay. Now Isabel, well, okay, just running around. Sorry for that. Yeah. So other than that, everything here looks and feels like a regular Model 3 Model Y that you know before. We have now the new LED strip here, okay. Here we have the wireless charging pad. Here we have center console, as you know before, okay, that's fine. We have ventilated seats. And then, yeah, in the back, there are tons of minor changes you haven't seen. And I think we have to check in the back. Let's try the back seat. Looks and feel like, okay, yeah, go on, you want to get in there, yes. Looks and feels nice, but let me see. We have now electric adjustment. Oh, you want to sit over there, okay. We now have electric adjustment. You can go, this is the most upright. Careful, okay, yeah. And then if you go the most laid back. Oh, this is a nice upgrade that you can do this. Yeah, eventually there should be. It should be possible to maybe with the sexy button to save this, right? And maybe the driver could recall this. But the seats are relatively flat. There's a little dent here, up bump there. Isofix is not that great. I can see the struggle when I try to put one of the Isofix base or the Anoris T here, and I have to squeeze in here and try not to ruin the fake leather. There are some plastic pieces you can put in here to widen up the opening a bit to make it slightly easier. But yeah, I mean, overall though, it is nice, and we now have this screen here where you have games and stuff. and HVAC settings, and yeah, screen brightness, and okay. Oh, she has to climb on everything. Sorry for that, but yeah, a pocket here. What? Oh, at least it feels sturdy. The pocket here. I'm not sure if I like this, but okay. I mean, you can hold items here. Okay, and then here, let me try the door closing sound. Headroom. Oh, nice. Yeah, over a fist of headroom. You know, I tested recently, I just did a quick review, first impression of Audi Q6 e-tron Sportback. In a way, this Model Y is also kind of Sportback, but that Audi Sportback, it was so cramped in the back. I did not have this much clearance. It was more like 2 fingers in comparison, right? But the Audi is a luxury car, right? And the Tesla is not a luxury car. But here in the middle, okay, not that much space, but still around 3-4 fingers of clearance. Still pretty good clearance, yeah, even for the middle seat. But the back here, yeah, either you like it or you hate it. Well, at least it's new design, yeah. There's like a continuous LED, you know. But it looks different than most other cars, because other cars you will have direct light. Here it is actually indirect light because the LED is there and it's reflecting down there. Let me just check the chartboard. Should be more or less the same. Yeah. But in the back here, let me check it out. Did they change anything here? Well, it's still this. Okay. We have this solution now for tucking away the partial shaft. Oh, interesting. And then here we still have a pocket. Wait, where's the subwoofer? If there's a pocket there and a pocket there. Sorry, I haven't done my homework, but the rest here looks more or less the same. Should be still plenty of space. But this is new. We can now fold the seat. Stop. Isabel is climbing over there. Isabel, come on. We have to test it for child safety here. Isabel, come on. Don't want to squeeze you. Yeah. Okay, let's not try her. Let's try something else. Let's see now. Will it squeeze me? Okay. There was a force, maybe 5 Newton.
5 Newton?
Tryck en gång till då. Press one more. Try. Okay.
I'll try again.
Okay, so it was actually not that hard.
You feel comfortable?
Yeah, try again. I'm gonna try to crush my face.
Okay.
Come on, try to crush my face now.
Be careful.
Okay. No, okay. It wasn't that hard. Yeah. So actually, Isabel could be here, and it will still be fine. Yeah. You wanna try? You wanna try, Isabel? No? Okay. Looks scary. Isabel sensed that Daddy was in danger. Isabel, you wanna be in there, and then I squeeze you, huh? I can squeeze you. You wanna try that? No. They're gonna call Bjørn. Okay, no, let's not do that. So yeah, it works like this. You press once, it goes there. You press it again, it stops. You press again, it goes back. So it's just a toggle on that side, and then a toggle on this side, and then it will sense if there's some obstacle, and then it cancels. So that's good. I mean, we could try to squeeze some hot dogs or sausages, but nothing's going to be squeezed. Is that follower? Ser du på kanalen eller? Oh, okay, he doesn't know my channel. Yeah. But he helped me press the button. So at least we tried that. We did the child safety, and it worked fine. But wait. But if I'm here and I want to take up the seat, I can't do it. There's only one way, which is to go in the back here. Okay, Isabel insisted on sitting here. Yeah, so now you guys can see Isabel for measure. How spacious is this trunk? It is huge. For this car in this class, 4.8 meter, this is just astonishingly large. And also, yeah, we can also open up beneath there. So, well, we need to also test eventually how many banana boxes you can take, not how many Isabels we can put in here. All right, Isabel, no, watch your fingers. Just want to test, if you put a shoe there, are we going to ruin the pre-production car? How child safe is this? I don't want to put my fingers there. Oh! Do I dare to put my finger there? Okay, let's do this. Sorry, Isabel. It is sharp. I don't dare. Someone else can do that, or I did. Here we have. No, Isabel, not yet, not yet. Okay. Here we have Espa bun. I bought it today. It's bun with raisin. Okay, Isabel, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay. Let's do the bun test. Well, it detected the bun. And then it wants to squeeze it again. Dude, freaking crazy, man. What kind of crazy man designed this car? Isabel, you want the bun? Okay, it's still edible. See here? We open the bun. You will see that it hasn't fully compressed. Still nice here. Varsågod. Varsågod. Isabel. Achtung. Achtung. Isabel อย่าเอามือไว้นี่มันจะหนีบแล้ว Isabel ก็จะเจ็บแล้วก็ร้องไห้นะ You're gonna cry. Okay. Okay. I think we tested the car enough now, at least on that side. What? Look here. What is this all about? You know, Leaf has that weird, the weird front and whatever to deflect the airflow. Is this the same, or is it just a design feature? Well, do we actually have better drag coefficient on this? Well, I can't wait to test it one day. But I mean, it looks nice. When it comes to the look, yeah, maybe you guys want to know my opinion. I think it looks more modern. We have the old one here. And to be honest, when I saw the Model 3 face a long time ago, it looks like a duck. If you have seen this, if you've seen the Model 3 duck face, they also have it in the Model Y. And yeah, I mean, here versus here, this is more modern. It's safe for another 10 years at least until the trend changes. So, in terms of looks, I like it. I like the looks. Cameras are there, similar as before. You know, they didn't go crazy on the design, and I actually like the rear here because it's not direct light. It's indirect light. I have never seen any other car have this kind of indirect light, so that actually makes Tesla unique. Yeah, I like it. I like it. And by the way, it's Tesla Owners Club Norway who set up this meeting here and this event. And then I just join in here to check out the car. So, you know, big thanks to Tesla Owners Club Norway. And also, you guys will have ice, what do you call it again? Ice lake driving. Yeah, in Gol.
It's a training, yeah.
Like every year? Yeah, it's a training. It's a training. So actually, it counts as a training. So also the insurance counts in there, in the track. And then when is this?
It's the first weekend of March.
Okay.
So in the shift between February and March.
So 29th of February to the 2nd of March.
Okay, I can put a link in the description if you guys are interested. So yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, do you like the crushed bun? Huh? The raisins are nice and tender now, huh? So yeah, there you guys have it. The new Juniper. Would you go for this versus the old version? I think definitely, because okay, what we haven't tried now, this is just a pre-production. We are not able to test drive it, but I would assume that they have improved the suspension to be more like Highland, more comfortable suspension. Many people complain about harsh suspension in Model Y. I agree. Actually, in Thailand, Thai people, they pay extra money when they buy Model Y to change the suspension to something else, and it actually rides way better, the other suspension, but I still feel like it's not as good as the Highland suspension. So Juniper should be the Highland suspension, and when it comes to soundproofing, then it should also be improved better than before, just like Highland. So yeah, can't wait to test it eventually. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later. And next time, I think you stay home, Isabel. Okay.